Hey guys and gals of YouTube land, this is the vehicle we're working on today. 1978 GMC, I think it's what they call a C35 or G35. Well, was what they called a cab and chassis back in the day, until it's got a dump bed on it. And the issue I've got with this truck is the locks. Don't have a key for it. When I bought the truck, didn't have one. All I had was the ignition key. So bought a couple of key tumblers. I think I got them off Rock Auto a month or so ago. And I'm going to go through the process of installing it to where go to Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever I end up with this thing out and about. I can, that's the brand right there, standard. Come with a couple keys. Just got them up there. I've already kind of pre-assembled or disassembled this, I should say. You got a bolt here, bolt here. Most of them have a screw here. Mine didn't. I guess it was deleted over the years. You have a screw there, 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 there. I think one right there. And in order to take this off, you can see it right there. There's a little clip. You have to, this will be on here as such. You have to take a pick. Get a little closer to where you guys can see this. And pull up on this right here. While it's on the splined area right there. Pull this clip out, and then this clip right here out, and this piece just comes right off the splined area. But as you can see, I've already started into it a little bit, and once I lift this panel off, I'll start back the video. Okay, here we are. We got the panel lifted off. See, it's got like a little seal around that. Got a seal here to keep the wind out. Doesn't do a real good job of that. But that's probably because all these seals and this thing stays open all the time. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna get in here, we're gonna fix this. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Then I realized that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's where the lock tumbler goes in. And it shouldn't be silicone like that. So I'm going to have a little bit of an obstacle here. I've got to get all that off in order to reinstall the other one correctly. So that's going to be a little bit of a, I guess, a nightmare situation. Like I said, I don't know if you can see all that back there. My camera's going to pan in and show it, and my light's not working while I've got it recording. So I'm gonna dive into that next, and then I'll get you guys back on the other side of getting all this dug off and spare you all the cuss words that it's gonna take to probably get this done. All right, guys, we got that far. As you can tell, I had to scrape some of that silicone off. Gonna install this, let this thing focus here. Gotta install this clip, which I'm just gonna show you. Install this clip right here. Got to install it on the lip of that lock. I'll show you the next step when I get to it. This is what it looks like, the next step of installation. Of course, you have this little clip that has to go on to hold that latch piece in there. I don't know if you can see it, it slides down in the slot right there, up and down, which operates this lock mechanism and the door lock mechanism there. So I'll come right back after I have this installed. That's what it looks like reinstalled, guys. Let's see if I can get in there a little closer here and kind of show you what we did here. Readjust my, there's a little clip you can see right there on the end that has a hole. Can't quite point to it. You see where that little finger sticks in a hole? It's got two little tabs where you can pull the clip out. And it has to get right in that lock mechanism right there. And let's see if I can get back a little further. You see how that kind of goes together. Twist the key back and forth. That's what operates the interior lock up and down. Now it's time to get my light fished out of the door and reinstallation, which is basically a reverse of what I showed you in the beginning. Of course, it's getting a little dark out here, so I got to move a little fast. Shoot you a video once the panel's back on, kind of show you what everything looks like. All right, here's what it looks like reinstalled. Of course, if I can get out of the frame where you could kind of see it, all the screws back in. This piece right here just snaps back in. Of course, you got to remember to thread this through before you put that on, or that through the hole right there, I should say, and not leave your light down in the door like I just about did. That should be pretty much a wrap on this one, though. Thanks for watching. If any of you guys like some of these videos or whatever, I would appreciate if you would subscribe, like, feel free to comment on any mistakes I make that you see. I'm an open-minded kind of guy. I'll listen to anything that you have to say. Thanks for watching.